To inspect or replace the air filter on your Slingshot with the Prostar 2.0-liter engine, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the parking brake is set. Pull upward on the hood latch. Then, pull back on the underside of the hood above the center LED lamp with both hands to open the hood. Clean any dirt or debris from the air filter area. Unhook the 5 metal clamps and lift the airbox cover to remove the air filter. Use care to avoid damaging the airbox connector. Inspect the air filter seal and air filter for excessive debris or damage. If necessary, replace with a Polaris approved air filter from your dealer. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Clean the inside of the airbox thoroughly. Dirt or debris in the intake tube could result in severe engine damage. Install the air filter in the airbox, ensuring the word "up" is showing on the filter. Then, secure the 5 metal clamps and confirm the air filter cover is fully seated. Close the hood by pulling up on the center of the hood and pivoting toward the vehicle. Allow the hood to drop and ensure all 4 latch points are secure. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.